Hello there, this is Loisa, and welcome to Caffeine Fix Budget. Hi, I miss you all. So today is October 14 and it's already 9:33 p.m. And currently, I'm preparing my lalagyan, my pouch, for the orders. So, nilatag ko na rin yung mga free savings challenges tracker. So, I have an assortment here. Iba-iba sila. Gagawin ko to siyang free. Tapos, ito from Christy Budgets. Follow nyo rin siya, guys. And then, my thank you card. Tapos, ito, may ginawa akong clear na bookmark. So, clear talaga siya. Clear na clear. Tapos, ni-round ko, syempre, yung mga anong tawag dito? I rounded the corners. So, ito, isasali ko sila kasi alam niyo na sa in the Philippines, September pa lang starts na ng Christmas season. So, ito siya. May iba na akong nilagay. Yan, may printed na logo dyan. So, yeah. And, kukunin ko lang pala yung mga ang tawag doon, mga placeholder money. Lalagyan ko tig isa-isa para may idea sila what it looks like. I already got the goods. So, these are B grade. And medyo marami sila for this batch. And I also sell this by set of 5 pa rin siya, but on a discounted price. But since I have a lot, meron pa dun nakalagay sa lalagyan niya. And I just got a few para i-add ko in each pouch. So, ito. Naka-ready na. Meron na din. And parang last 3 sets na lang. So, around 300 pouches na lang yung nandun sa baba. Sa lalagyan niya. So, I need to order pala. That reminds me that I need to order some pouches because itong 100 na to parang hindi aabot ng isang buwan. And I need to start ordering na before the holiday rush. So, ipapack ko muna to. Okay? So, currently, ito lang muna yung nagawa ko with all the bookmarks kasi I still have to make a new batch. Ito, hindi ko pala nalagyan ng ribbon. So, I still have to do another batch. But yeah, I still have these trackers and these freebies. Still have a lot of placeholders. So I'll just take a pause in making the pouches because I will process orders that are scheduled for ship out tomorrow. So ito na lang po muna. So ayan. And ito pala yung ewan ko na lang, ilang beses ko na to in-arrange, but when I am processing orders talaga laging nagkakagulo. Ito, I make a batch, sorry, maingay yung aso namin, a batch of laminated na savings trackers, so para ready to go. And so you may be asking why I'm pre-packing these pouches. And if you've been watching my videos, alam nyo na the reason why I pre-pack my my pouches is because I want to streamline the process, especially when in the mornings I'm packing the orders that are for ship out. Ngarag talaga ako, and I really have to run after run after the time. Ano ba? I'm out of time talaga, so I'm packing 10, 15, 20 orders at a time. So, and nasistress ako while packing kasi nagmamadali, and hindi talaga maiwasan that there are things na nakakalimutan ko, especially yung mga ganitong freebies kasi for example, hindi ko na lagyan ng PH yung placeholder na money, mga ganun. So I try to pack them ahead of time para hindi ko na siya problemahin while I'm packing. Ang i-check ko na lang while I'm packing is the orders itself, so less mental stress na rin para sa akin. So I just try to streamline where I can streamline the process so that it will be easier and faster for me, since I am running this whole business solo. And yes, I have some help every now and then, but paminsan-minsan lang talaga yung help na yun, and I cannot solely rely with that. So kailangan ko talagang streamline para mas mapadali kung saan pwede. So with that, magpaprocess na ako ng order. Hi, today is October 17 and it's already 4:11 a.m. and currently I'm taking my short break and kakatapos ko lang magluto for our breakfast, and then ito yung breakfast ko. So and hotdog lang yan, ham and tsaka egg, and ito is yesterday's rice. And yeah, busy as always. So, ayan. Nagpa-process ako ng orders kanina. So, ito. May mga locking pa. And yun is for packaging na. So, ayan. Marami pa akong gagawin. And I still have to cut more vinyls. Because ito na yung orders. So, nasa kabilang page na. So, I really need to catch up. Because gusto ko na siyang matapos within today or tomorrow para makapag-proceed na ako on restocking for the holidays. And lahat ng laminated cash envelopes is limited na lang talaga kasi magagamit ko na sila sa order, mga open orders ngayon. So ibig sabihin I'll be out of stock, so I really have to catch up on all. Kulang pa nga yung minimalist na cash envelope. So yun lang, kakain muna ako. Hi, today is October 25th and it's currently 3:30 in the morning. So what I've been doing is I'm cutting the inner sheets for the minimalist na midi size because I ran out and I still have at least 15 orders that has minimalist na midi size. So I really have to keep up. And here's my tea. Hindi talaga ako masyadong mainom ng tea kasi I don't like the taste compared to coffee. But itong tea na to, I like the flavor. I forgot what it is. I just noticed in me that I prefer like sweet, like very flavored tea. So there's that. I need to finish that. I still have a lot to go through. And konting batch lang to just because I just want to ship out all the pending orders as soon as possible. So nandito na yung mga labels. So I categorize them in this sheets. I mean in this plastic sleeves so that easy na lang siya to process and hanapin para matrack ko rin. In this way kasi alam ko kung kanino to, like it's compartmentalized already and di na ako mahirapan, and I could track din kung sino yung may kulang ng mga vinyls. That way I could recut it kasi minsan talaga nasisira sila while weeding, and it's really very common for vinyl. So